it was very, very close. They were within points of each other throughout this competition. So we are going to announce our first place People's Choice. And I think it's safe to say that they can bring the flavor because that's what they do. So coming in first place in the People's Choice.
Team in this hot sauce. I think the capability is just not large. It just came out. No, get out there. Come on, guys. Let's go. What's happening? Come on. We can't shut you up for 5 days. All of a sudden, you guys are going to let us go.
We're so proud of y'all. Have you decided who's going to be your speaker on this one?
Team leaders. This is enough. No, we want to tell them how. Nobody wants that.
But I just want to thank my team. They're the ones, the reason why we won. Like the energy we had. Thank you to Melendez for sure.
Yes, yeah, thank you, Melendez.
We also want to thank the MG Hits for letting us go on an amazing event.
That was all right, bro. Come on, so I'm just done. I'm going to say this. I've been talking all day. I don't know what I got left, but I'm going to be able to go. We walked in here this morning. We're sitting there in our trailer. And I looked at all y'all, did I not? I said, look at the sun. Look at the beautiful people coming out. We get to do what we do every day in our backyards. These are family. People over here, we've been doing this in California in one of our backyards. We're blessed and privileged to be able to do it for y'all. Al, thank you for changing all of our lives. Chef Big, thank you for the opportunity. To my team, to my brothers and sisters, to the people I love, I told y'all, it's destiny, and they can't be denied, and I think we proved that. We brought the flavor, we did it major. Flavor back and never back. Think about
David, that was pretty funny. You got all your cardio in for the year.
I'll never do anything again. That's it.
Well, we have the one category.
That's it. One category.
It's a pretty important category.
Oh, I forgot to give that.
Oh, the golden tickets.
Hey, Chuck.
I know I'll throw my husband out.
Let me get your golden tickets.
No. Just Chuck. I don't want to do it over again. But I don't want you guys to forget. If you haven't had enough of him yet, you're going to have to see him at World Boys. Boys, I hope you're not sick of me yet. Get your bags packed. We got to do those real niggas to make the flavor. We going to do our food championship.
So we're going to do the top 3 of probably the most intense judging. These are judges that they don't mess around. They know their barbecue. They're experts in their field. And you guys subjected yourselves to them. And we have 3 people, 3 teams that made it and are going to be coming up to the stage in our Judges' Choice category.
Simmer, kids. But before we go on to that, I need to point out that the way the judging worked, we had 5 finalists, and if you didn't get a chance to see that, there wasn't a duplicate from any one country. It truly was an international event with Guatemala and Uruguay and Canada and the United States and Germany. Like, that was absolutely nuts. That is crazy. Alphago's done more for world peace than the last 5 presidents together. Like, that is flipping amazing. I wish you were born here, Al, so you could run for president. That's all I'm saying, buddy. That's all I'm saying.
All right, now I know y'all are tired of us talking, so we're gonna say what we need to say. In our Judges' Choice category, coming in 3rd place, Team Germany. Congratulations, Team Germany, on the Judges' Choice. Absolutely epic. You guys cooked so amazing and so well, and you really did well to show off Germany barbecue and open fire. We appreciate you guys so much, so thank you.
Give it up again for Team Germany!
Team Germany, that was absolutely amazing. We love you guys. We can't see you next year right here doing the same amazing things you guys did today. Thank you.
Down to 2 more spots. And we're going to number 2 in the Judges' Choice.
This is Judges' Choice.
I'll do it.
How do you do it?
In 2nd place, Espiritu Paquillo! Get right up here. Where you guys at?
Come on up here. Congratulations. Come on in.
Hey, first off, none of this is possible without man Al Fregoni. Me and him kind of envisioned this like 5 years ago. You know what I mean? So, anyways, super cool event. Malcolm Reed, Heath Wells, and me, Mitch, thank you for judging us. Coming in here, blessing us. These are legends in the industry. They asked me when we were in there, they're like, hey, are we supposed to judge them hard? Or, how should we do it? I said, bring it hard. I mean, this group can handle it, right? I mean, these are barbecue legends in the competition world and just the barbecue in the industry. So, without further ado, the thing we wanted to announce, the 5 finalists will all have the invitation to the World Food Championship spots. Alright? And the winner will get his entry paid completely for the entry, and then also a golden ticket for the World Food Championship. Give it up, give it up, give it up. That's a lot.
And we're going to throw one more thing out there. We have the top 5 teams. If your team received one of those little finalist panels, When it comes to our Open Fire Challenge World Championship at Memphis in May, there's only 15 teams that are going to compete. We're saving a spot for one of each of you, so you 5 automatically qualify to be one of the competitors at Memphis in May for that Open Fire spot. So when you come up here first or you come in 5th, this battle, the challenge, the journey is not even close to being over.
It's just beginning, and we can't wait to see y'all in Memphis.
But Memphis is a long time from now. And right now,
We got time to practice.
right now, we're going to announce that championship.
All right, y'all, the moment that we've been waiting for. The 2025 Al Fragoni Open Fire Meetup Judges Choice Champion is Team Guatemala!
We're also getting this awesome set of dongle and you'll notice that cool engraved emblem, one of a kind for Open Fire Meetup. Legacy Laser Creations, right down there, provide all those trophies, all those emblems. Give it up for prizes, give it up for them. One more time, Open Fire Meetup 2025 Championships of Duo.